Oh,
Oh,
welcome back. That was E40, of course, with Things Will Never Change. And, you know, unless we get off our lazy ones, things won't change, right? But I'm down on the conscious tip, whether you're from the east, west, north, or south. That's all good. Coming up next, we have
our man, Johnny Sigala from the Lost Tribe. Ooh, the baddest
Representing.
video. That's all good.
Self-side.
The song's called Main Point, and it was produced by...
Well, this was made by Mark Turney and Johnny Sangala himself, which is a fantastic video. O-Town has never looked so good.
I reckon.
But check it out. You're going to see a lot more of these people because they go hard. The whole UPR clique is definitely in the his out. And we'll be back next week
Gotta get out.
with another hour of power. Much love, everyone.
Peace.
I never lip sync on the 1st of July. Independency lift my head up high when I'm proud to be sons of an S-A-M-O-A. I'm calling out to all my neighborhoods to come and play. Looking forward to a brand new day. A sun arises through the treetops. The garments are now and then, cause those are celebrated to a new beginning. So sitting up to right angles, focusing my lens to reality. Like my father's examples came to new land for longevity. I send money home for better life for the family. While gifts of the cycles and it down. Still trying to put food on the table to make mom and dad proud. So I get smart, find a vehicle, collect the most cash. Now with the chosen few sing, when will I be famous? Now the new generation excel above factory stereotype bullshit. Now in the workforce don't have to be in the 95s on the 5%. But before I jet, mom says to eat before I leave. So on course, skip the entrees, the main events. Tricks up her sleeve and makes moments like these. Moments like these. Now my mom's poetical craft work will complex. Delinquents disguised with halos can escape. Auditioning the blessings of discipline. Rooms the laziness out to those who understand. She creates a man, best believe my body's worth. I pass what I learned, I never trade them, man. I walk the streets with a ghost of pride and generation. Face it, 24-hour tribulation. Trials try to barricade, but I'm still pacing. No shame, roaming, no, I'm not alone, man. Troubles in my path, full of business start showing. The local da malosida, my mother. Jim's got the back to follow, busca my cover. So what's the haps? Don't try to bring it on back. Follow, what do you know? Well,